Regularly replacing the filter in your Simply Conserve tabletop air purifier keeps your room free of airborne contaminants and unpleasant smells. It also helps your unit run quietly and efficiently. First, turn off the power and unplug the air purifier. Place the unit upside down on a dry, stable, and level surface. Remove the bottom cover by rotating it counterclockwise and lifting it upwards. Grab the dirty filter from inside the air purifier and dispose of it properly. Before installing your new filter, be sure to remove its outer packaging. Then drop it into place. Reinstall the bottom cover by rotating it clockwise until it locks firmly in place. Return unit to its upright position. Next, turn on the unit by plugging it in. Once powered, press and hold the Replace Filter indicator for 3 seconds to reset the unit. With a clean filter, the Simply Conserve Tabletop Air Purifier removes 99.97% particles down to 0.3 microns in size, including bacteria, viruses, odors, and common allergens. So sit back, relax, and breathe easy.